Hello everyone, and welcome to iFix Tech. This time we are doing an unboxing and also a review of the new JBL Reflect Mini earbuds. This is an $150 earbuds, which means they have a very good quality. Just by looking at the box they looks amazing. As you can see, the box itself looks very nice. The package design looks awesome. And guess what? They comes in different colors. So what are the different feature of these new JBL Reflect Mini earbuds? Here you can see the JBL logo. 2021 CES Innovation Awards. Very cool. It is IP67. This means water and dust proof. Active noise cancelling. Very nice feature. Bluetooth, of course. Let's talk about battery capacity. 21 hours total battery life. 7 hours with the buds. Plus 14 more hours with the cover. Let's see the side of the box. Red Dot Winner 2021. Built-in Google Assistant. Built-in Alexa. Here you can see what comes in the box. Let's see at the back. It uses Bluetooth version 5.1. The charger is USB Type-C like all the newer devices. Fast pair, which means it will connect to your phone as soon as you take it out of the box. "10 minutes of charge is equal to 1 hour of music listening." Again, 7 hours with the buds, plus 14 more hours with the cover. If you are liking our content, please help us get to more people. Give us your like and subscribe. As you can see, they are really beautiful. Here is the blue ones. Now, let's open the box and take them out. First, let's see what is in this little box. Manuals and cables. Here is the quick start guide. Safety instruction and warranty card. USB-C cable. You can see it has a bright color. Let's see what's inside the box. They has like a little wing. As you can see, here are the different sizes that you can use. As you can see, there are different sizes. It's like large, medium, and small. Also, there is one that already comes with the buds. You see, here are the different sizes. Now let's take a look at the box. Let's see here how to open this. Let's try to take it out. This is the Bluetooth light. Watching at the buds, I'll see they're really nice and they feel heavy. They are strong. They feel strong. They are very nice looking. When you put them into the box, you see how the box is now working. The light is coming up. This is the charging light. It has a nice cord that you can use it like this. The JBL logo looks awesome. They are carbon fiber like. Here you can see the charging dots. Also, you can see the sensors. Basically, if you remove the buds from your ear, it will automatically pause whatever you are listening or watching. When you'll put them back, it will resume. You can see the Bluetooth light trying to pair with the device. To remove the wings, you do it like this. See, they are already out. You can use it like this, or if you don't like it, you can put them back. You can use it with the wings or wingless. Now, let's test the magnet's strength. I think the magnets are very strong, as you can hear. It won't stay loose. Also, the box itself is very strong. It feels very strong. Now taking a look at the blue one. They comes on others color too. Like white, etc. They are like matte blue and matte black. This is how they will look like on your ears. This is the way you should wear as in case you are using them with the wings. I hope this video helped you decide if the earbuds are good for you. Please hit your like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.